Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically zoom in on the cakes, as well as like how you can vote them too on Cake Off. So as you can see, these are all the cakes. Wow, they're so pretty and they're so good. I think I'll need to choose 3. If there's like less cakes, they'll make you choose minimal 2 cakes. So let's just select this icon here to zoom in on the cakes. This one's mine. And let's see which are the ones that I think are cute. I actually quite like this one. I also like this one. It's cute. And then I'll choose... Okay, this one has purple, so I'm not too keen on that. And that one's more like a brown. I think I might choose either this one or the heart-shaped one. I think I'll choose this one. And then they'll give you like a time to choose. And then whoever goes to the next round, you get to like pick cakes again. Okay. So I'm just going to choose the ones on the right that I like. I think I need to choose 2 for this one. So let's choose this one. And I like this one too. I don't think my cake's gonna make it because like I wasn't really focusing that much on it. Oh, okay. Still going through the next round, which is alright. But I really like these 2 cakes, so I think I have to vote again for 2 more cakes, and then for the last one, I just need to vote for 1 cake. Like, my cake doesn't even look that good, but okay. We just need to wait, and then after that, we just need to vote for 1 cake. Okay, I knew that I wasn't going to make it through, so that's fine. I just need to vote for 1, and I think I'm going to vote the one on the left. But that's it, pretty much. You're just going to select 1, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.